In my free time, I was watching a Game of Thrones series. Then I heard the Red Woman said,
For the night is dark and full of terrors.
I started to think a lot and imagine, what if the world really became only night? What will happen? Before we start, I want to ask you a question. Can you imagine the world is filled in an eternal night? What you will do if you woke up and you saw the world is dark? We will imagine a scenario and we will see what will happen if the night disappears forever, okay? Tell me in the comments. In this video, I will tell you exactly what will happen if the night disappears forever. Don't forget to like the video. Let's go! Now the eternal night has begun. The sudden and unexplained shift causes chaos around the world. The eternal night brings fear to the world. People will start to wonder, is that the end of the world? What will happen to us? Are we going to end and the world with us? Government contains to manage the crisis. People will stock up on necessities, food, everything. I mean everything necessity for living. The people will start to buy. The people will start to offer serious about the eternal night without evidence or anything. Just completely unscientific talk. But unfortunately, this word start to bring more fear to the world. Now we are going to see the sky is clear and full of stars that we have never seen in our life. If you could imagine the view of the clear stars and the clear sky, you will see that's beautiful. But no, this is a crisis. This is a night, the eternal night. I want to know what you will do if you woke up and you saw the eternal night has begun. After a short time, the pressure of the electricity network increased. Because the people will start to use the electricity all day in light, in cooking. It's very obvious that there is no solar energy anymore. The solar energy is from the sun, and there is no sun. There is a night, and there is the eternal night. So where is this light, the solar energy? Okay, never mind. The sun is gone. There is no renewable resources at all. And because the world is dark, the rate of crime and criminals increase very high. Robbing banks, robbing cars, robbing children, robbing money, robbing shops. Khalas, the world is going to end. Also, don't forget the sleep time will change. In your normal life, you have a day and you have a night. There is no day, only the night remains. You literally sleep all day. You literally sleep all the night. Global temperature decline. You will see the return of astral navigation. And because of fear and crippled, you will see the economy is... The sun took the positivity from the world. You will see all the people are sad all the time. Yes, all the people will feel sad and feel disappointed, feel tired. This will be a normal feeling. You will not have the positivity or the energy to do anything. But after a long time in this situation, we will finally understand the situation and we will get used to the dark world. We will make the necessary changes. Here we will finally understand the situation after a long time. Keep going, the life hasn't ended yet. We will figure out a ways to deal with the crisis. The human will not remain silent and he will discover many ways to move on and keep going in life. We will make a night glasses so we can walk in the dark easy. I'm sure of it, I know. After long hours, the sports will return again and we will make some changes in rules to adapt to the new environment. We will wear what I love, which is the bright clothes. Yes, a clothes which brings the light to the world. I think this clothes will get a lot of fame and it will be trendy at that time. And it will become a modern fashion. Finally, after a long and very difficult year for humanity, after the losses and the destruction for the humans, the human will get used to it. And we will have our routine in the eternal dark. Can you imagine a routine and healthy life in the eternal night? If you like the video, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friend. Imagine. I know it's impossible for this situation to happen, but why we can't imagine? Tell me your opinion in a comment and bye bye.